Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann. We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain. Please like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, and it really helps us out.
Thank you. What the project is today, like it's been for the past month, is skinning logs. I pull out the logs from the forest in the intention to have the right sizes. I don't cut just a cut. So what our project is today is to make a measuring tool so we can measure the logs once they're down to the
No,
size that I need.
to know where we're going to be using them, because
Correct.
we do need different sizes for different places. But for the walls themselves,
Yep.
we need
18 to 24 inch is our optimum size. Here you see a couple. Well, you don't see, but you see snow. I named my big tractor pulling out the logs, and there's a stack of logs I just did. And then there we have this one here. So the project is to make a scaling tool or measuring tool. The tape does okay, but it's not exacting like the tool I'm making. So what you're going to be seeing here in a second is the components, if you want, for the measuring tool. So essentially,
here's a tool that Dean made in the past that helps us out tremendously for peeling the logs.
yeah,
We have a video of that earlier in the season. You can always look it up to see how he made that tool. But this tool is he's making so that we can measure the logs.
so what I've used is what I had around the house or the farm, if you want, or barn or whatever. Aluminum for the saving on weight, so it's easier to carry, and some square tube, steel square tube to sit inside or outside, if you want, of the other square tube, as you see. So that tube you see in my hand is drilled and will be tapped. It's not tapped yet. So the cost of this is I had everything in hand, so it cost me nothing except for
An hour's time.
yep, another time. That's including the videoing. So in a moment you'll see the once it's assembled and welded in place on the square tube, you'll see that this is what it looks like.
To measure from side to side
correct.
of the log.
Yep. So we're going to be, and there it is painted up so it doesn't rust. And you see me using it right now. So the idea is setting it at 18 inches, the minimum, and
to make sure that it's that wide at least, so that we can use them for our walls.
Correct. So this thing is adjustable from 32 inches to 12 inch. So if I need smaller or bigger measurements, I can do it. But the 18 to 24 is our target measurements. Yeah. So we're doing very well.
And he put numbers on the top of so that we can see exactly what width.
Right.
So thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you.